The beginning of your journey, the beginning of your calling, begins with being unacceptable. There must be nothing on you desirable. There must be nothing on you that attracts people. So if you carry power, it's not easy for people to be attracted to power. Because they must question the power. Meaning you carry that which makes people to question. The first thing nabaqala ukubona abuya phela manje. Uzenza njani lezi zinto azenzayo? Now some they will end up looking at you. Oh, lezi zifake lapha esandleni. Oh, mhlambi lezi zifake lapha esandleni. Mara uyazibona every day emall. But because of they are not put on by an ordinary person. No matter what you do, people will question. You can wear something omunye umuntu ayigqoke naye. Maranga ibone kuyi ukuthi njani ayibone different kuwe. That's what power does. That's what power does. Angayigqoka yena ifaka angakhoshini. Uyifake wena or lento le. Why? Because it must make you unacceptable to the people of the world. It must make you unacceptable. It must cause people to question. What is this? How is it doing this? Maybe it's this. Maybe it's that. Don't worry, they are already becoming undeserving. They are already becoming undeserving. The power in you will no longer work for them because they are undeserving. The people, that's how they miss it. You end up coming to church, but you are now undeserving to receive from such power. Because it's hard to accept the one who's unacceptable. It's hard to accept him. Okay, let's go.
Or a wallet for a collection bag for your journey.
They're busy. There are people who are busy with wallets. They're busy with collection bags. They are saying they are preparing for their callings. Wait and see. It's the world that will accept you. And God might not accept you. Because you broke the command. Go without extra purse. Let's go. There are people who are like that. The moment they discover their calling, let me get a job, work quickly, I'll buy keyboards, chairs, I'll buy this. You're already busy with your wallet. Now the world will accept you because you bought those things. They will sit on those chairs not because they believe, because you made things easier for them. And because you carry power, it must be hard for them to come close, to partner with you. They must be deserving. They must be deserving. Let's go.
And do not take a provision bag or a wallet for a collection bag for your journey.
Yeah, come on. I eat the wallet it for a collection bag. We tell you collector. We are order. So it means already you are worried about tomorrow. If the collection bag is not filled, you are going to lose your assignment. And you will worry about what you will eat and dress tomorrow. Yet you are dressed by power. Jesus gave them power, not clothes, power, not cars, power, not chairs, power, not keyboards, power. I might empower you and not give you the power. It's a momentary thing. I can empower you and not give you the power. Fana nokuthi ngakunceda ukuthi uqale something bese ngiyakushiya. Then I've not given you the power. I've empowered you to start. Tomorrow you might not do it. You might run out of that power. Is it too much? It's too much, ne? Maybe sithola abafundisi nyana 20 nyana. Since the pastor's conference masinyana. No, because all of you must be. Paul says in Hebrews, you by now you all have to become teachers. So when we teach, we must make all of you to be pastors. All of you must be pastors. So that when you mature, you stop depending. You stop depending. Now you are able to take your own decisions and God approves them. Yes, because now you are a teacher. Now you are matured. Yes, let's go.
And do not take a provision bag or a wallet for a collection bag.
Provision. There's two wallets. Many people were reading this thing, but they don't understand. There's a provision bag. There's a wallet for collection. Now let's come and say provision. Let's go. You'll get it now. It's about to get interesting. Let's go.
And do not take a provision bag or a wallet for a collection bag for your journey.
For your journey. Don't collect for your journey. I've given you power. The power must be the one that drives you. So that tomorrow you continue doing it over and over. So that you can be persistent and not be limited. Utangnama resource. Angnama resource. Angnama resource. There are people who can't preach without the microphone. Yes. Microphone is big. If the power has rested on you, it's the power that comes with provision, not you going with provision. It's the power that will attract provision. But if you take a provision back, the world has already accepted you. You are already a friend of the world. Okay, let's go.
Or a wallet for a collection bag for your journey. No two undergarments.
Yes. Yes. Come on, let's understand when power rests upon a person. It's not a fashion. Let's understand when power rests upon you. It's not fashion. You're not called to be a modeler. It's power. And when you understand that power, you are not going to try to do things on yourself so that people can accept you. If they can't accept you, they are undeserving. Carry the power. Carry the power. Continue. Do it today and tomorrow. Carry the power. And forget about the undeserving. Remember what God said about the sons of Aaron when he said, "Bathungeleni izimpahla, bathungeleni ama-garments, priestly garments." Bebangasazigqokisi bona manje. Though bekuyi physical clothes, but it represented priesthood power. Meaning they were dressed completely different from other people. Maba appear. Yeah, I'm a priest. That's what I'm a priest. Already you are not accepting them.
So vela ubamkeli.
Now, when the power rests upon you,
Umamandla ahlala phezu
and
kwakho.
you did not dress yourself,
Wena ungazange wazigqokisa.
you were dressed by the command.
Ugqokiswe
Go without.
Hamba ngaphandle.
You are dressed with power.
Ugqokiswe
That
ngamandla.
power will not leave you tomorrow.
Lamandla lawo
But the
ngeke
moment you
ashisa.
dress yourself,
Kodwa mawugqokisa
you might do it today, not do it tomorrow.
yenze ukwenze namuhla kusasa ungakwenzi.
You can only prophesy today, tomorrow, not prophesy.
Ngaprofetha namuhla kusasa ungakhona uprofetha.
Ube semoyeni namuhla kusasa awusemoyeni. Idemon likhulume namuhla kusasa alinandaba nawo. Yeah, there are people who are like that. There are people who will say, mina uNkulunkulu naqala, babe ngikhipha amademoni mina bengiwakhipha. Why is it not continuing?
Kungani kungaqhubeki?
Yenzeka one and you thought you were able to do it.
Ucabanga ukuthi
It
uyakwazi
was
ukwenza.
not yet complete.
Bekusengakapheleli.
Don't be fooled that I did it yesterday, tomorrow I'll do
Uthi
it.
ukwenzile izolo nakusasa
It was a
ngizokwenza.
momentary thing.
Bewuyinto
You were
yesikhashana.
still called to
Bosabizwa
become unacceptable.
ukuthi ungayamukeleki.
God did not want you to continue casting out devils
Bekangafuni ukuthi uqhubeke ukhipha amademoni
while you are still acceptable.
ngapha usamukeleke noma usathandeka.
It doesn't make sense. Eh? Out, but you are still acceptable.
Khipha amademoni kodwa usathandeka.
God is showing me this, but you are acceptable.
uNkulunkulu ukhombisa lokho kodwa usathandeka.
Who qualifies?
Ubani ofanele?
The unacceptable.
Yilo ongamukeleki, ongathandeki,
The unacceptable.
ongamukeleki.
Who always put people in a trap
Lo ehlezi afaka abantu egibeni
to hate without reason.
ukuthi bamzonde banganasizathu.
Now that's a truly chosen person.
Manje ke umuntu
They
okhethiwe
hate you
uphela.
not knowing why they hate you.
Bakuzonda bangazi ukuthi bakuzondelani
Because you are unacceptable.
ngoba uthandeka
You are
wamukeleki.
not ordinary.
Awujwayelekile.
You are persistent.
Uyaliphikelela.
You are doing what other people cannot persist in.
Wenza lokhu abantu abangakhona ukwenza ngokuphikelela.